Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, all kinds of astrology and foreign travel. Today we will be discussing a very important point. As you can see in the title, is there any connection described in Naadi astrology where we can find or we can predict that a person is going to commit suicide or not? Either he or she will be committing suicide, or it might be possible that they have suicidal tendencies. Okay, see, I have written here these three planets, they are basically responsible for it: Moon, Mars and Rahu. Friends, I have described in my earlier videos that whenever in a particular horoscope Moon and Rahu sits together in a house, in any house, that particular native will be facing a mental trauma or mental disturbance. Okay, that's not a good connection. If Mars also joins this connection, then they might have this tendency of suicide. Now, how can this connection happen? First of all, if they sit in any of the particular house together, irrespective of male or female, doesn't matter. These three planets, Moon, Mars and Rahu, sits together in any particular house, then they will be creating this yoga of suicide. Okay, now in Naadi astrology, you know that I have said this time and again. Please check my previous videos. We see connection in trine. These are called directional aspects. Okay, so if these three planets sits together in a particular house, that is also a connection. If they are connecting in 159, 2610, 3711 or 4812, then that is also a connection. Okay, this suicidal tendency can be seen in that person if they have this connection in their horoscope. Okay, suppose this is the chart. Okay, for an example, if I take this as number 1, that means it is Aries ascendant. Suppose out of these three planets, any one or two sits here, and the other one, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this particular house, or this particular house, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they are connecting in trine. Okay, it is possible that Moon is sitting here, Mars is here, and Rahu is here. Then also it is a connection in trine. 1, 5, 9. It can be 2, 6, 10, 3, 7, 11, 4, 8, 12 also. You can calculate like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 back to this house. So that is a trine connection. Now if Rahu is sitting here or here with Mars or Moon, any kind of combination, okay, in trine, 1, 5, 9, 2, 6, 10, 3, 7, 11 and 4, 8, 12. Time and again I have explained this, that this is Naadi astrology. Okay, we see connection, we see directional aspects. Okay, so Moon, Mars and Rahu are responsible for this particular yoga of suicide or suicidal tendencies. It can be seen. Okay, so that's it for today. If you like my videos, please put a like, comment and share my videos, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.